November 15th, card opening here in Arizona. Got our pool, hot tub. We just got out of the hot tub. We're trying to figure out how to manage the heat control in the main tub, but the hot tub works pretty good. At the porch here, different view than the lake. We got some card opening to do though. I'll do it outside. It's about a balmy 50 degrees right now. And not too bad. I'm sure it's cold. Anyway, a couple packages beat me here to Arizona. First off, we got my 4 hobby boxes of Topps Update, and I usually splurge on one box, at least one box. And the box I decided to splurge on this year is a Bowman Sterling, 5 autographs wheel. Open that later. But like I mentioned, I went to Walmart here, which actually has baseball cards. I got me some update in a box. I thought I'd open these. There were plenty of cards there, blasters, hangers, fat packs. Sorry about that. I don't have my normal stand with me, so you're getting a modified stand. They were Walmart, they're like $12, $50, they're not $10 like they used to be. I grabbed 2. You're in the midst of getting everything else. We got a die cut, that's grand. Jock Peterson, I think he took a qualifying offer today. Cabrera. From Rogers. Vince. Bobby Witt. Williams. I have Montero. I have a Williams debut Topps Now card when he hit that awesome game winner. I did not know he went to the Marlins either, although he definitely wasn't playing for the Phillies, but it doesn't mean he's not there. You're in Diamondback country, but trust me, I am still a Rockies fan. Bobby Witt. Got a good group of Bobby Witts, I'll say that. Quan. Smith. Miranda. Gretchen. Yeah, I've printed most of my cards, or not, my brother Tanner, most of my cards. So he has a giant box to do whatever he wants. So you can hand them out, or you can toy with them where he wants. We have a Jose Miranda, a Torkelson, home field advantage. That's pretty tight there. Good hanger so far. Clayton Kershaw, Tyler Anderson. He signed with the Angels. 3-year deal. Suzuki, Gore, Anderson, we got C.J. Abrams, we have a Lou Gehrig. That was a really good first box. Highlighted by a Spencer Torkelson home field advantage. That's my 3rd home field advantage. I have Suzuki, Wander, and now Spencer. So I've been getting good home field advantages too. I don't know what the odds for home field advantage. I know I have not. I've seen cases of hangers opened up with no home field advantages. So I know they are not very common. I can't even find it on here. I mean, the gist of it is they just aren't common. As far as the ones I grabbed, I just grabbed the first 2 and bolted everything out. pick or weigh and do whatever I wanted on these. I did not let the movers move my cards or some of my games that I thought were a little more vulnerable. I moved them in the back of my car. So I have some of my cards here, but I don't have any supplies. I have to take good care of that Spencer Torkelson while I figure out the supply situation. I swear I got, if I just say who's the rookie card I've got the most art, it's got to be Vidal Brujan. He is all over this place. Cardi Tully. It's Connor Joe. He's still on the Rockies. Okay, Melendez. We'll take that. Not near as many rookies as last time. It's okay, we'll take quality over quantity. Hunter Green. Gore. What was the trigger for a Julio? There's a certain card. I can't remember what it is. Donovan. Tapia. I want to read what his card says. Hunter Green. Plummer. Got a Scherzer Gold. Looks like the second Scherzer Gold I've ever pulled. A rainbow foil of Matt Brash. We have Vidal Brujan, Spencer Torkelson, Hunter Green, Andy Pettit, and Heliot Ramos. So, not as good as the last one, although we did get a gold. Tapia. Scherzer Gold, home field advantage. So anyway, that's my 2 Hainers worth. You have to tell me what you know, and I got to figure out how to. Man, that's a. Say these aren't all rookies. I wonder what happened here. I misstacked them. Anyway, that's all. You take care.